Hi friends, it's Pastor Angel and
Parker!
and
Eddie!
and we're so glad you could join us. Are you so glad they could join us, girls?
Yeah!
Yes, we're so glad that you guys could join us. All right, are you guys ready for some worship?
Yeah!
And a Bible story?
Yeah!
All right, give me a thumbs up if you're ready. At home, give me a thumbs up. All right, come on, let's go.
Wanna thank God for the way He made me. Everywhere I look, I see how much He loves me. I am so excited, and I just can't hide it, Yes, I love Him too. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I love Him too. It's true, God's love is special. God's love is special. Come on, I just wanna thank God for the way He made me. Everywhere I look, I see how much He loves me. I'm so excited, and I just can't hide it, Nope. Yes, I love Him too. Oh, oh, oh. Yes, I love Him too. It's true, God's love is special. God's love is special. Gonna sing, oh, 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 oh. God loves me, I know. I'm singing, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, I love Him too. Everybody sing, oh, 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 oh. God loves me, I know. I'm singing, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yes, I love Him too. God's love is special. God's love is special. I do.
Know what time it is?
It's time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. At the Wonder Clubhouse.
EHANKS, thanks. Oh, hi, welcome to the clubhouse. I'm Kai. I was just writing thanks on this card for my neighbor, Miss Kathy Sue. She is always helping me and my family. Last week, she brought over this delicious spaghetti dinner. That spaghetti was so good. It was very nice of Miss Kathy Sue to help us, so I thought I'd make her a card. I just remembered somebody else who helped me last week. Mr. Luis, the handyman, helped fix my soccer goal so we could keep playing. That was very nice of him. I want to write him a thank you card too. Oh, and then there's Mr. Jimmy down the street. I fell off my bike right in front of Mr. Jimmy's house. He came out, gave me a Band-Aid, and helped me get home. I really want to write him a thank you card.
Who?
It's Ollie!
Hello, Kai. Who? Working hard today, are you?
I am. I'm making thank you cards for all the people in my neighborhood who helped me.
Neighbors can be super helpful. It's true. I know of a man who had great neighbors, too. Listen to this story. Just follow me through. Who?
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Okay, Stormy Jane, this is a really big stick. It's really heavy. Do you think you can get it? Okay, go fetch. Oh, hi friends. I'm Carrie, and today I'm playing fetch with my best dog, Stormy Jane. Can you get it, Stormy? Is it too heavy? Oh, your friend Pepe is helping you. Thank you, Pepe. It's good when friends help, especially when you have a big job and you can't do it on your own. In fact, that reminds me of a story. Do you guys want to hear a story? Okay, great. This true story from the Bible begins with a city wall. That's right, a very big wall that went all around the city of Jerusalem. The wall was there to keep people safe. The wall had been there a long time and had started to get old. There were so many holes in it that it did not keep the people safe anymore. It needed to be fixed. This is Nehemiah. He used to live in Jerusalem. When Nehemiah heard the wall had holes in it, it made him very sad. Everyone show me your sad face. Yes, very sad, just like Nehemiah. Nehemiah wanted to do something about the broken wall, so he decided to fix it himself. But he was just one person, and the wall was big. Nehemiah couldn't fix it all by himself. He needed help. On the count of 3, everyone yell, help. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Help! Listen, do you hear anyone coming? Yay! Lots of people came to help fix the wall. They all got to work helping on different parts. These people fixed a gate. These people worked on a tower. And these people fixed this part of the wall. There were lots of people, and everyone helped. The people worked and worked and worked until one day, the wall was finished. Everybody celebrate! Hooray! Nehemiah was thankful God had given him people to help him fix the city's wall. God is good. Oh, hi, Ollie. Ollie, tell me, who is good?
God is good. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, who is good?
God is good. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. See you next time. Bye.
So there's your story. It's all true. God gives us people to help. God is good.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo.
Wow, what a great story. God gave Nehemiah people to help him finish the city wall. God is good. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it?
Got it!
Good. People helped Nehemiah just like my neighbors helped me. I'm so thankful for them. I know. I can put my neighbors' names on leaves for the thankful tree. I'm thankful for Miss Kathy Sue and Luis the handyman, and I have a lot of leaves, Dad. See you later. Bye.
Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Psalm 107:1. Give thanks to the Lord, for he is good. Psalm 107:1.
Wasn't that a great time of worship and a Bible story?
Yeah.
We learned about Nehemiah and how Nehemiah rebuilt a wall and he needed people to help him. And just like Nehemiah, we need people to help us, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need people to help us tie our shoes, or sometimes we need help getting something from a shelf that's too tall, right, Evelyn? How do you need help? Do you need people to help you with something? No, you've got it all on your own? We all need help sometimes, and God gives us people to help us. Does God give you people to help you? Yeah, like your mom or your dad or your grandma or your grandpa. So, all right, are you guys ready for the memory verse?
Yeah.
Yes. Are you guys ready for the memory verse?
Yeah.
All right, give me a thumbs up when you're ready. Okay, repeat after me, okay? Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good.
He is good.
Psalms 107, 1. All right, let's do it one more time. Give thanks to the Lord, for He is good.
He is good.
Psalms 107,
Psalm 107.
1. Good job, girls. Good job at home. I'm so proud of you. All right, it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
And remember, we love you and that God is good. Bye.